No chains on her mind. The cell was colder than it needed to be. Not uncomfortable, just sterile. Designed by an empire that didn't torture its prisoners with blood, but with silence, light, and the weight of isolation. It was a clean kind of cruelty. Efficient. Sanitized. Dr. Alara Miles sat on the edge of her cot, wrists cuffed, cybernetic fingers steepled under her chin. Her gaze was calm, her posture relaxed, her heartbeat steady. Across from her, behind a transparent wall reinforced with psi shielding, stood a tall figure in dark gray robes. High Inquisitor Varnak, a 9-foot Threxian bred in vats and trained in psychological dominance. He'd broken planetary governors, turned warlords into loyal hounds, and silenced dissent with nothing but presence. But today, he hesitated before speaking. "You are far from your Earth, human," he said at last, voice a guttural hum. Alara tilted her head. "Geography is irrelevant when you're already home in your mind." Varnak blinked his triple eyelids. The translator drone hovering above buzzed softly as it struggled to detect sarcasm or metaphor. "Your species is known for its unpredictability. Aggressive, emotional, prone to madness under stress. Yet you sit there, tranquil." Alara's lips curved slightly. "We evolved. Fear doesn't serve us the way it used to." The Inquisitor stepped forward, tapping commands into the panel beside the cell. A harsh beam of light swept over her body, pausing on the sleek steel of her cybernetic hands. "These enhancements," he noted, "are rudimentary, primitive compared to our biotech. Tell me, do you believe these crude limbs give you power?" She flexed the fingers deliberately, one by one. "Not power. Purpose. Each time I move them, I remember why I built them. You took my arms in a bombing on Vega 9. I built better ones." Varnak's gaze narrowed. "You should hate us. Why don't you?" "Because hate is a reaction, and you don't deserve one." Silence fell between them, thick with tension. On the other side of the observation glass, two Imperial strategists leaned closer to the feed. "She's bluffing," one whispered. "She's trained to resist. We'll break her in time." The other shook his head. "No, look at her. She's not resisting. She's comfortable. That's worse." Inside the cell, Alara stood slowly, letting the cuffs clink as they rose with her. She walked to the edge of the transparent wall and looked directly into the Inquisitor's eyes. "You didn't bring me here to interrogate me. You brought me here to study me. Because something about a human woman who doesn't beg confuses you." Varnak's jaw clenched. "You misunderstand your situation." "No,